Dear learners, welcome back to your educational channel Learn and Educate, where we were started a series on the subject of geography, where we were studying about the rocks. In this video, we would study about the sedimentary rocks, as the rocks which we see around us environment have different shapes, different uses, and are differentiated depending upon the minerals they contain in it. Rock has a shape and transformed into a particular use because of the geographical agents which are involved on it, for example wind and water. They are transformed from the extreme heat pressure and different geological processes on it. Rock has different use and types which is of significant importance in human life, wherein in this video we would be studying about the sedimentary rocks, the rocks which are formed because of continuous weathering, erosion, and the rocks break down into particles of different shapes and sizes, which are called as sediments. These sediments are transformed by geomorphic agents like air, water, and glacier ice. The process by which the sediments are deposited at a particular place, it is called as sedimentation. This process of sedimentation and the accumulation, which is helped by the currents, by the gravity, and the organic activity on the earth, which leads to the formation of the rocks by accumulation and the combining of the sediments, which is called as sedimentary rocks. Examples of sedimentary rocks are limestone, chalks, sandstone, shale, etc., wherein the sedimentary rocks are stratified, that is, they have a layered structure. They are formed in layers. For example, when the rocks are formed after the cooling and the solidification of the molten metal are broken down into various fragments and of layering, which creates a rock called as sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are born from the layers. These are made from the fragments of other rocks, from the shells, and the remains of the plants and animals, which are pressured and cemented together to form sedimentary rocks. A few examples of the sedimentary rocks are limestone, sandstone, shells. They are found in layers and they contain the fossil fuels, which is used, which are of utmost importance. The sedimentary rocks are stratified. They are layered structure. They contain the fossil fuels, which helps to allow the water to pass through it. The sedimentary rocks are generally permeable and porous. This allows the water to pass through it. This porous means that how much water they can store in them. Sedimentary rocks are formed over a larger surface of the land area. That is, we can say around 80 to 80 percentage of the area of the earth. Sedimentary resources, the significant resources which are available from this sedimentary rocks are coal, petroleum, and natural gases. There are different types of sedimentary rocks. The first is clastic sedimentary rocks. They composed of the fragments from a pre-existing rocks are classified as clastic sedimentary rocks. The chemical sedimentary rocks are formed because of the precipitation out of the solutions. That is, evaporation or chemical process takes place and the minerals are precipitated out of the solutions. Organic sedimentary rocks, it is formed from the accumulation of the remains of plants and the animals. The remaining of the plants and animals helps in the formation of the organic sedimentary rocks. The sedimentary rocks which are formed by the chemical precipitation, that is from the seawater or salinity in lake, for example the nitrates and the potash. And the organically sedimentary rocks are formed from the organic material, which are that is from the remainings of the dead plants and the animals, for example coal.